Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the luxurious features of the Hibbent self-cleaning shower head combo, designed to transform your daily routine into a spa-like experience. This incredible shower system includes a 10-inch high-pressure rainfall shower head and a handheld shower head, both crafted with self-cleaning nozzles that ensure a powerful and uninterrupted water flow every time you step into the shower. The 71-inch all-metal shower hose and 12-inch adjustable curved extension arm, made from durable stainless steel and solid brass, withstand high pressure and high temperature environments, providing a leak-free connection for a seamless experience. With its sleek, ultra-thin design and air-in technology, the 10-inch rainfall shower head delivers a gentle rain spray through 116 splash jets, while the brass swivel ball connector allows you to adjust the angle for the ultimate hotel-style relaxation. The longer stainless steel bracket and three-way diverter let you choose between the shower head, the rainfall shower head, or both simultaneously, ensuring versatility and convenience. The upgraded 12-inch shower extension arm maintains a horizontal position for a steady water flow, eliminating sloping water and ensuring the shower head remains perfectly vertical. With 3 powerful settings, this shower head combo offers a customized showering experience that will leave you refreshed and invigorated every day. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.